Hello, hello, hello. Look at what we have here today. Today I'm doing the unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Book 3, which is a 2-in-1 laptop. I'm so excited. This model is the 15-inch screen, 32 gigabytes RAM, with 2 terabytes storage. Microsoft Surface Book 3. It's kind of heavy. I thought it was going to be lighter than this actually. Before we do anything with that, let's see what's in all these other stuff here. This is the Surface Book, telling you where everything is, telling you about it. We'll look at that later. This, I'm assuming, is the charger and everything. Wow, that's a big charger. But I haven't had a laptop in forever, so... Well, it's a 2-in-1. It's not really a laptop. Well, I mean, I guess it's a combination of a tablet and a laptop, but I haven't had a laptop in years. So, this is a humongous charger. This goes on the side. This right here plugs into here. And then this goes into the wall. The box is really nice. It's not even, it's like really hard cardboard. I love the way it feels. It's really not as heavy as I thought. They say that you can open it up with one hand, and you can. This is the power button right up on top, right here. At first, I had a little bit of problem about how big it is, you know, and look, you know, to touch the screen, for it to be a touch screen, it's hard for me to reach. I mean, you know, because of how big this portion is. Honestly, I like the feel of the keyboard. Keyboard feels good. The touchpad feels good. I like the way it feels. Love the keyboard. And then I figured out yes, you can do it with one hand. Then I figured out that I can switch it and turn it around like this. And bring it closer. So now everything is right here. There is a keyboard action, like if I wanted to type something, the keyboard automatically comes up. So I really like it. And I'm looking forward to using it for video production. See how it goes. I really like this. So I want to show you how far back this goes in this mode. That's as far back as it goes. But when it is in this mode, it goes all the way back. And it stops anywhere in between. You can still do things. And this is as far down as it goes. Not that you would need it to go down that far, but these are the accessories that I bought. I bought the pen and the mouse. And this is some cases and stuff that I bought from Amazon. I got this purple-ish hard case. I got this little keyboard thing, has cats and stuff on it. I'm gonna put a link to all of this in the description below. Then I have this, which is it's like a skin. It's like a skin, a vinyl skin to put on top. And then I got another keyboard cover, a pink one. And this is a bag that I can carry everything in. I wasn't sure whether I should put the skin on or the hard cover, or if I should do both. I don't even know if it's possible to do both. But I do want protection, and I do want color. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, there you go. Started blinking. I've never had one of these, so I want to see what this feels like. So it's just a little, okay. And it just sits on top. Is it supposed to be tighter than this? I didn't know these things were so flimsy. Okay, so this one fits way better. Kind of like that too. It's still a little loose, you know, as you can see, it comes up easy. The question with this is, can you put this on and take it off? Okay, so it looks like it's going to snap tightly in place. Because when it gets here, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that back off. So let me not put this on yet until I decide what I'm going to do. And then the other question is, since this is such a snug fit, if I put this on, will it stop me from being able to put that on? I like that. It's like pink marble. So this is the top. In case people were wondering, it does have the cutout for the Microsoft logo right here. Let's see what these instructions are. They said that they have a code to scan this code, and there's an installation video, so I'm gonna check that out now.